Welcome to Connected Voice, the internet phone solution for small businesses from CenturyLink. We'll walk you through how to set up your phone and get started with your service. First, check to make sure you have everything from your installation kit: the Polycom business phone, power adapter cord, network cable, base stand, setup guide, and 911 sticker. Connected Voice only works for a phone that is connected to your internet service. Phones plugged into any standard phone jacks in your business will not work with this service. There are 4 steps to connect your Polycom phone to your internet service. Step 1. Start by placing your phone near your modem or near an activated Ethernet jack in your business. Then, plug the handset into the phone base using the coiled handset cord provided. Step 2. Plug the network cable into the network port on the bottom of the phone. Then, connect the other end of the cable to an active Ethernet port. This may be on the back of the modem or an Ethernet switch or wall jack that is connected to the business network. Step 3. Connect the power adapter cord to the base of the phone and then plug it into a wall outlet. The lights on the front screen of the phone should turn on, indicating that the phone has power. Step 4. Wait while your Connected Voice phone completes auto setup. You will know it is online and ready to use once you hear a dial tone. The auto configuration process can take up to 15 minutes. During this time, the phone may reboot itself multiple times to update software. Be patient, as unplugging the phone before it has completed setup can cause it to malfunction. Now you're ready to make and receive calls. Find your Connected Voice number by simply calling another phone from your Connected Voice phone and checking the incoming number. To access phone settings, sign in to managevoice.centurylink.com. To use your digital phone service over a mobile phone or computer, download the Connected Voice app or desktop application. For more tips and to view full setup instructions, visit CenturyLink Small Business Support.